Hi, I'm Jeff, and I'm a setup operator at Mitotec. I've been here for almost 39 years, which basically says I started back in 1986. Right now at Mitotec, I am a setup operator, and back in the day when I first started here, it was just about all Brown and Sharps and screw machines, type machines. And I was an operator when I first started here. But I love my job today more because of all the CNC machines. I started on my first CNCs back in 2005 when we got our first Tsagamis. TS1 and TS2 were both bought new in 2005. And I've just taken the bull by the horns since then and run with it. One advantage of being in our new building here, we moved into our new building at Mitotec back in '96, I believe it was. It's where I spent at least 10 years in our old building on the north side of town. And one thing I love about this building is we have air conditioning. A day like today, it's hotter than the dickens outside. You walk in here, and it's not too bad. It's still warm, but it's not muggy. Our old building, we didn't have air conditioning at all, to where that's a huge benefit. Benefits at Mitotec, I believe we're very competitive with any factory in I think the whole area. For sure the surrounding counties. Our profit sharing plan is unbelievable. I like my coworkers. I enjoy working with them. We have a good time. We work together. We help each other. You know, don't get me wrong, we all have our bad moments, bad days, so to speak. But for the most part, everyone that I've worked with over the years, I can work with them any day of the week, basically, even if I haven't worked with them for a while. Compared to what we used to make years ago, we used to make a lot of parts for John Deere and Caterpillar and Tecumseh and Briggs & Stratton, to where today we're making a lot of medical parts for customers down south and here in Wisconsin, actually, and without mentioning customer names. And then we're making parts out of titanium, you know, a lot of parts for scopes and sights, and it's all pretty cool stuff. I enjoy all these exotic materials. It's always a challenge with the exotic materials.